Today I wanted to show you how to find a hidden element in a repeater. I have a client that has a repeater that we set up, and there was an element that was hidden kind of down here below that I can't seem to select in any way except for this way. If you want to click into the repeater and then use Command M, see, this is this little hidden element right here, this edit text or this text element here. It's down below the visual area of the repeater, so it's almost impossible for me to select it other than using Command M or Control M on a PC. I'm on a Mac, so Command M will find it. Command M basically tabs through all the elements in the object that you have selected. So to find a hidden element, you can use Command M, and then you can hit delete to get rid of that element that might be clogging up your thing. The only reason I even knew that this element was there was in Mobile View. I was seeing a $600 price tag, and I'm like, where is this coming from? It's not in my repeater. Well, it was just moved out of the repeater visual area. So using Command M will help you tab through those elements. And this is great in general for just tabbing through elements. If you're missing an element and you just can't seem to find it, or it's hidden or behind something, Command M or again Control M on PC will help you find that secret hidden element and either delete it or bring it to the front or do whatever with it so that you can bring it back into view and select it and possibly delete it if you don't need it. Happy Wixing!